Yo, what is up people? This is the NSK and today we're going to be starting off with the installation of Visual Studio in order for us to be able to code in C#. So to install the IDE on your machine, go to your browser. You can use any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome. When you get over here, just search for Visual Studio. And then this should pop up. When this pops up, just click community or downloads. Anyone is fine. Once this has loaded, just click download Visual Studio and it's going to download it to your machine. So I'm gonna just save it to downloads. You can also check out what's over here. We have a couple of tutorials and stuff on using the system. So now I'm going to go to downloads. We're gonna have that installer there. Just double click it, open it, click yes if it asks you that. It's gonna pop up this window and just click continue. Once this is done running, a window like this one should pop up. The Visual Studio installer window should pop up. I'm currently using 2017 because 2019 is giving me issues, but once this pops up and if it doesn't download automatically, what you can do is click on modify over there to select the packages that you want to install on your machine. There's various options here, but make sure you have this one here, the .NET Desktop Development. This is the one we're aiming for. Just select that, and then once you're done, just click modify, and then the download should begin. Once the download is completed on your machine, you should look for the Visual Studio icon, click it, then open the application. If you don't find it easily, you can click your Windows button and then search for it. It should write Visual Studio 2017 or 2019, depends which one. Once everything is done, make sure you just close the installer and launch the application. If you don't find it, remember, just search for it and it should be there. And now for creating our first project. So the first project we're going to create is a simple console application. So now let's come over here to the top right where it says file, click it, then go to new project. And then for project, we're just going to select this thing over here, console app.net framework. That's the one. Then we're going to call this one hello world. Okay, go okay. And you have successfully created a project. But that's it for this video. Do stay tuned because there's many more coming and we're going to show you how to build your first program.